Hello beauties, you're welcome to GLOWRITE Beauty World and Skincare channel. If you are new to our channel, you are very much welcome. It's good to have you here. This channel is all about skincare, how to formulate effective skincare products which are 100% organic and chemical free. And here on this channel, we also share skincare tips and DIY recipes that will help you to achieve a smooth, flawless and even toned complexion. So beauties, I'll be showing you how you can make your own sandalwood oil at home. Sandalwood is a natural antiseptic and preservative that is used in the production of soaps, beauty creams, and other toiletries. Sandalwood, popularly known as Chandan in India, has also been mentioned and seen as a natural healer and also one of the best solutions for any skin problem. The oil and the powder of sandalwood are used in medicines or for skin and beauty treatments, as well as many other industrial productions, including incense sticks, room fresheners, deodorants, and perfumes, including also mouth fresheners, edibles, soaps. So the regular use of the antibacterial sandalwood oil helps in fighting acne-causing bacteria, exfoliates the skin and soothes sunburn. It also helps to reduce the signs of aging, such as dry skin and wrinkles. The smell of sandalwood also immediately leads to your mood becoming all pleasant. So, if you are having problems in fighting acne, blemishes, or dry skins, we suggest that you opt for sandalwood oil. It has numerous health and beauty benefits. One of them are one of them being that it can treat skin rashes, blemishes. It also has anti-aging properties. So it cures pimples and acne. It helps to remove scars, soften the skin, and it also saves your skin from prickly heat. Sandalwood can treat eczema and many other skin problems. The advantages of sandalwood oil, or rather the advantages of sandalwood for your skin is so many. Sandalwood oil helps your skin to look nourished. It improves the elasticity of your skin cells and even out the skin. So I'll be showing you the process of making this oil. Please kindly pay attention and learn. Ingredients that I will be using is the sandalwood powder and sunflower carrier oil. You can use any choice of carrier oil. I like using sunflower oil because it is light and does not clog the pores. It is compatible for all skin types. Make sure you have your spatula, a measuring jug, and a saucepan. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like and share, and also leave a comment below. So let's start. So we have three types of infusion methods. If you already have our advanced skincare training ebook, you understand that the process, or rather the method that we'll be using, is called the heat infusion method. So on a low heat, I will be adding the sunflower carrier oil. Then I will allow the oil to heat up to like 1 to 2 minutes. So right now, I will allow the oil to warm up a little before I can add the sandalwood powder. So once the oil has already warmed up, I will then add 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder and give it a very good stir and allow the infusion process to then take place. You allow the oil to cool down, get a filter and sieve the oil. This is how the oil looks like now. The color has already changed, but we are still going to sieve it back again. So this is how it is. This is the sandalwood oil, and I'm going to be putting it into the bottle to also show you how the color is. But we are still going to keep the oil for like few minutes or maybe an hour, then sieve it back again for the final filtering. So here is the sandalwood oil. This is how it looks like when you filter it for the first time, and we are still going to filter it again because there are some particles in it. So here is how your sandalwood oil should look like after you must have filtered the last part of particles out of it. This oil is very good. You can add it in your skincare products. I use it for my base creams. I use it for my soaps, my soaps when I'm making products. Is very good, especially in skin lightening, and it helps to clear off dark spots. It helps to lighten the skin. It helps to treat eczema. It helps to also clear your acne and pimples. So I always add it in my skincare products. Thanks for watching. See you.